Alright, Ash, what are you drawing?
The starfish.
Star.
That thing.
Pretty good so far. Georgette, you're doing the seahorses. Can you see them? Oh, I can't see it on the camera. No, you can't see it that well. And May's drawing the crab. What kind of crab is it again?
I have no idea. The smelly one.
Oh, the cancer crab. Cancer crab.
It looks like
These are, what did you say, little baby crabs? I wonder if I can look through.
For sure.
No, that doesn't work.
Four lovely things. First, what you're going to do, you need to estimate weight and you need to estimate length. Okay? Can you touch these? Yes. Okay? So,
Yes.
now this is one thing that you'll find out. Your students will find things that you do not like. What you got to do is not let on that you do not like them. I'm not particularly fond of cicadas. I had one student bring me a whole jar full of cicadas. Now I could have went, and went, get this out of here, and they would have gone, oh, right, we know how to push your buttons. So what you got to try to do is act like, oh, this is just fun, it doesn't bother me at all, even though inside of you you're going, and so otherwise students go, right, we know how to push Miss Buttons whenever we want to. We'll just get this and do that. Yeah. So you have to figure out you're working as a team. Okay. So write down your length and your weight of what you think. There are paper towels over here. We have sinks. All right. Go talk to your team. How do you? That's the tricky bit. Where? How? Where? Do we include legs? Do we include tentacles? Do we include? So as a team, decide what you think you're going to do. Write your estimates down, and I'll be back.
I think this one's 35 centimeters.
Are we including all the bits and pieces?
Yeah, the tentacles, you have to.
If you think the ruler
is like about
like that one.
Oh, you can see. It's much longer.
that's maybe like 45.
Yeah. Wait, because it is like
It's not. Maybe teens like that.
No. Think of a 30 centimeter ruler. It's like that.
It must be like
55er.
55.
Oh, there's paper towel.
no 50 to 55 centimeters. Including. Right, number 2 is, what's that? Cockle? Shell. What's that, Jen?
Oh no, looks like a clam.
I reckon maybe like 3 centimeters.
Or an inch.
We don't do inches here, Jen.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Yes, centimeters, I
Maybe like a
mean.
foot long, that would be like a 12 inch.
Yeah.
12 inch.
Size of a sub at Subway? Foot long?
That's the only thing I can think of.
Yeah.
3. Oh, no,
Really,
let's
it's
try and go a
practical
little bit more accurately. Maybe like 2.8 or something,
can pick this up.
2.7.
I don't know if this is alive or not. Okay, well, where are we going though? Like,
Are we going across the middle?
I would go for the longest.
Yeah, the longest.
that way.
Yeah.
No. Oh, really?
Yeah. I don't know why.
I reckon it'd be longer the
I
other way.
reckon from like there to there, from the back to the
There to
front.
there?
Yeah,
So like 1.
2.5 maybe. Maybe.
Yeah, 2.5, 2.6 maybe.
2.6.
Let's go.
Accuracy.
Oh my god, what is this?
There, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's that bit on it?
I don't know. I should work
Oh, it's moving.
I know.
Oh, is it like? Oh my god.
Well, I don't actually.
Is it like an animal?
Oh!
Is it Kenna?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
This thing's like.
Oh my god, it's freaking like a porcupine.
Okay, so
It's weird how it's just like. Where are we measuring it?
I don't know. I can't even tell.
Yeah, that's a tough one.
How you doing with your features?
Can we
Good, we think.
pick it up? Can you?
It can. You bet.
Oh my gosh.
Now, it does have spines, okay, for protection, but it has been picked up, so it's not hanging on so very much. So you just very gently. Those are the 2 feet letting go. They're like suction cups. Okay? But yeah, very much spiny. Just watch your fingers. I wouldn't want to step on it.
Okay.
Alright, it's legit like a sea porcupine.
Just about. Yeah, very much so.
So how are we measuring this one then?
Good question. Yeah.
Across.
That's its mouth
Wow.
down here. That's its mouth. So it's a little bit different than you and I. The mouth is on the bottom and the bottom's on top.
Might touch it, it's well worn.
Yeah. Could very well be.
I reckon maybe like.
Quite often I don't know where
Are we
it is
going to go
until
from
something
like
comes
the
out.
spike to the spike, or like?
Oh, good question. Yeah, where are we measuring? Yeah.
I reckon not the spine.
I think the black. Like 40.
Okay, so how much is that weight? Someone else do it.
Maybe like
Like 13?
12. Yeah, 12. I was going to say 12. So
12? Yeah.
12, 13.
Okay, here you go, Mr. Spiky Canada. I've got my finger on your bone.
It's probably like
Ow.
it's going to stick back.
Ow.
It's like. Whoa.
Yeah, look at its feet coming out,
Yeah, look at it. Where?
trying to attack John again. Look, it's moving so it can.
Okay, so 13.
Oh yeah, so it can suck and cup.
Crazy.
gosh. Okay, I'm not
This is
picking
a
up the
crab.
crab. Oh,
Oh, I know how to do this. I did
Okay.
it on the weekend.
Do it. On the back.
Oh, I'm scared now.
I'll hold this. No.
Now here, I'll show you how to hold this one so that you don't get nipped because
Yeah, you have
this
to
one
be
can
from
give you a
like
good
that?
nip. So he's going to run away because he thinks you're trying to eat him. So what I do is I hold him down first, and then you're right, I pinch him on the sides here. That's called a carapace. And
Oh,
then
look,
I
it's
put my
purple.
other hand. Yeah, he's got about 5 different names. One of them's a purple shore crab. So I hang like this because if I go, ah, he moved, he doesn't go crunch
Yeah.
wherever, and then I can quickly pick him back up. But he cannot reach back and get me, no matter how hard he tries. And he actually does kind of calm down after a little bit. So, yeah, isn't it cute? He's blowing bubbles, which means he's stressed. Which, yeah, because of all these big things picking him up. So yeah, just otherwise he'll run away. So not a hard squashing push, it's just more right, so you don't get away. And then whichever hand is more easy for you to do, then you can get him.
Okay. You go, Jim.
Jean attempting to pick up the crab.
That works for
Take
any
one.
crab. Because yeah, he can give you. I've gotten blood blisters from that crab before. Not that personal crab, but that.
Take 2.
I'm like afraid.
I just hold
You can
down.
do it. Push him down.
He's more afraid of you. That's why he's running away. There you go.
Yeah, that's
Almost
it.
got it. Yeah. Yeah.
I did it in the Catlins on the weekend. Oh,
Okay,
look
so
at
you went into
Yeah.
Hello. My face is so cute.
Now those big
Okay.
muscles in between his nippers there are so that he can fight other purple short crabs or common rock crabs because it's all about territory
Yeah,
and
from
girls.
like leg to leg.
Well, oh, look at the bubbles. Oh, he's really stressed out.
Oh,
He's also
Oh, look at
trying
what
to
I've
taste
done.
the
Animal
air.
cruelty.
How much do you
have to
reckon?
have
Oh, no,
ethics
they-
approval when we're doing these crabs because they're part of the ethics approval.
I would
Like
actually just,
8
I would
centimeters.
just measure the body.
Just the body. Okay.
The shell.
So what do you call? So which way for the body?
Like between the eyes,
What do
like
you call
down.
that body?
Oh, that way.
Oh, I would
reckon
go that way.
Oh yeah, okay, let's do it that
Yeah,
way.
like that.
So that's what, like
Maybe 3.
4 centimeters.
4?
Oh, 4?
Because you're
like
holding
4?
it, remember?
Yeah.
3.5 maybe. Go in between.
Okay, alright.
You can put it back.
Actual.
Or maybe hold that one up and measure, yeah.
Oh, we're supposed to pull it over when we're done.
Are we done?
Are we not meant to do the weight as well?
Oh,
Oh, crap.
No.
Crap.
I'm really bad with weight. I've got no idea.
Ooh, I don't have an extra.
What does it feel like?
Jenna!
Does it feel like about like? Does it feel like a weight like 2 kg or something? Or like,
No, no,
is
no.
it way?
Half, maybe? You pick it up. Maybe half a kilo. 400
Nah,
grams.
I'm gonna say yeah.
400 grams? Oh, think about meat when you buy it in the supermarket.
No, unless maybe like 400 sounds like quite about right.
Okay, well this is like what?
One, like not even.
Oh, it's happier than it looks. Don't know though. 50? No, not even. Maybe. Maybe.
No, it'll be like
20.
20. Like maybe not even
I
that.
reckon maybe.
15.
Yeah.
We probably can play it wrong.
You want to pick up the sea urchin?
Got all your estimates?
We're just doing the
Oh,
weights.
you're doing the weights. Okay.
How heavy did the crab feel?
I don't know. Well, in
How do I get
kgs.
into unsuck? Do I
Just
hit?
pull gently. He'll
No,
let
you
go.
can go in grams.
Just, yeah, you gotta kind
We
of
don't use
put your
crabs
fingers in
either.
between the spines, or otherwise you're gonna turn kind of a
1 kg
brown
is
color
always
as you get some of the coloring of the
It's
kelp
like-
off of you. There you go, yep. And if you do see a tube left, they regrow them, so they're
Yeah,
there you go.
that's per 100 milligrams and this is per 10 milligrams.
Wait, you pick that up from the edge of the squish and see what you think.
Put your fingers on its mouth.
Definitely.
Maybe a little bit, but
Maybe
like
450 maybe.
yeah, not much.
I reckon the crab is lighter than that.
You picked him up, so
So you reckon like 10
This is
grams?
like a rock. Yeah, the crab is lighter than that.
lighter than that.
10
so
grams.
Like 10 grams? Or would it more than that?
Yeah.
10 grams is not a lot. Maybe this should be
But if
higher.
you feel it, it's not.
Maybe make that 120 and then make that
Pick the crab
150.
up. Because I think that's lighter than the
So how
rock.
are we gonna weigh and measure and actually find out how much they actually are?
How are we going to do it?
Okay,
Give us a
what
step.
if I will help. So they go across the back here to at the widest point, and my caliper, what I do then is move it till it's tight, and I can't, yeah, I'm not hurting him. It's just that this is full of salt water, and that's why it's rusted. So then when I look here for a caliper, I look at the zero, so this is telling me it's 3.3 or 33 millimeters is what our lovely little crabby is. Okay. So it's always just across the back, even though he might have massive nippers, really long legs. Nope, we're just caring about that back. Now what we do here is to weigh them is, so there's no water inside of them. You have to towel dry the lovely little crabby. How often do you towel dry crabs? Yeah. So what we try to do is get as much water off of him as possible, okay? Because he does have water inside of him, because it's around his gills and things like that. So we try to get out as much as possible, and then what we would do is use a scale. So we go through lots of paper towel around here. So behind you over here is a scale. We have a bowl that we can pop him in so he doesn't run around on us. And you know about tearing things out, right? When you use the scale, so we pop it on there, and it's already teared for us. We'd have to tear it out. And then I can put him in, and you should be able to figure out, even though he's running around, he won't get away. Oh, we're so close. All right, well done.
Where we see?
Yeah. Because the inches, so 0.25. Yep. Even high school students struggle with estimating weight. It's a really tricky concept. They're getting pretty good with length. And it's good you put units. You'd be surprised how many students would just have